Hello, welcome to another episode of Free Code Friday. My name is Jason Bach, and this is episode 21, I believe. 21. And hopefully, this is a short one. I don't want this to go too long, but this is one of the other things I wanted to do before I go off and do two major projects. And this is to make EditorConfigGenerator a tool. I always love that when they see that in some .NET code, C# code. This code was generated by a tool. Always cracked me up. Anyway, so what I want to do is make this a global tool. And as you can see, I have this article up here from this guy named Nate, I believe. I actually stumbled across a video yesterday of somebody using this same article to create a global tool in .NET Core for what they're doing, and it only took that person 10 minutes. So let's screw it up and take 40. I don't know. We'll try to make this short. But said I was going to do it, so let's do it. So the required minimum, so to back up for a second, what a global tool is it gives you this ability to essentially do like .NET space and then your tool name. And so it can be part of a tool chain that you're doing from the command line and just, that type of thing. So it's kind of a cool idea. I kind of like it. I think it's a kind of a neat addition to .NET Core and packaging and whatnot. So let's see how this works. So the required minimum project for a global tool looks like this. So I think all I have to do is add pack as tool. So let's go to my project here. And this is the one. So let's edit. Come on. Wait a minute, what did I just do? Oh. Let's turn my speakers off anyway. All right. Let's go up to this. And let's say pack as tool. Waiting for parse to complete, because apparently adding that makes your parsing take a ton more time to do. That's kind of odd. All right, I told you. I'm going to do something and it's just going to cause my computer to just completely flake out and go absolutely bonkers, right? That's what's supposed to... I can't win, can I? I can't even edit. Just by adding one thing, everything goes completely haywire. Oh, you're kidding me. You're kidding. Actually, this is good because in a way what I need to do is say Visual Studio end. Go bye-bye. While it's going bye-bye, I forgot to do this. Let's actually create a new branch called making a tool. New branch. Here we go. Still struggling to tell Visual Studio to go away. Why? I don't know. Just will not die. Will not go away. Will not die. Will not stop. You can't stop it. Why is Edge taking so much? TweetDeck. Go away, TweetDeck. Why are you using Edge? Somebody may ask. That's a good question. Let's get rid of that too. Okay. Did you go away? Yes, you went away. Okay, so let's do this again. Boom. And let's see what happened. Okay. Come back here. Edit it. Put that there. No, now it's fine. So, whatever. Okay. Back on track, even though my fan is like taking off like it's no one's business. Additional properties can be set to control the generated tool. Tool command name. The command name users will invoke. Defaults name of the DLL file produced, i.e. assembly name. This does not need to start that, begins with that. It can be blah, 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 blah. So what is my actual assembly name? I believe it's just EditorConfigGenerator. Is Assembly name editor config generator. Yep. I could just leave it like all lowercase. That's what it seems like people are doing, is just making it all lowercase. But I like it to be Pascal cased. So we'll leave it at that. And just to be positive, if I build this, wait. Oh, wait a minute. Hold on. These should all be, well, core is standard, right? Yeah, that's standard. But what we want to do is make this actually 2.1. There we go. Now let's run this. Good. What are my tests running as? Yeah, let's pump up all these bad boys. Make them all 2.1. Because, you know, reasons. Alright. That build, make sure that worked. Okay, cool. Alright. Package ID. The ID of the NuGet package defaults to the CS proj file name. So what's that? EditorConfigGenerator. I'm fine with that. I'll allow that. Package version. The version of the NuGet package. That I'm not okay with. Let's check that out, because I think... Do we have a version? We do not have a version. Let's make a version. Package version 0.1.0. This is the first release, so we'll just do that for now. No semantic versioning, maybe not. We'll leave it at that. Assembly name can be used to change the file name of the DLL. No, we're not going to do that. So I think all we needed were those. Very specific requirements. SDK takes care of most of these when you specify package tool. Publish output in the pack. The tool packages must contain all your app's dependencies. It's selected in one place by using publish, pack, blah, blah, blah. This output does not only contain third-party assembly side package tool. Oh, okay, so apparently package tool just does that as everything. Then the tool settings, this file is generated by the SDK when you set package tool true, and normally you do not need to create it yourself. Well, let's see what it means. File must exist in the package. If fail install with your tool. If not, .NET will fail to install your tool with what? With what? Okay, I should put a comment in this article. What did what? Oh, did I switch to the branch? Yeah, it did. It did automatically. Okay, cool. That's exactly what I want. The schema. First file looks like this. Name is the same value as your tool command name. Your CS proj file. It's a command user will type on the command line. File is the main file name for your pineapple. Runner is the name of the command. The only allow value is .NET. Alias, sort of. Sort of, you can bash this. Okay. Currently, the main restrictions on this file can be used. Per package, command, .NET. Installation may fail. Not very clear. What this means is that the security restrict a core package has specific metadata. But I don't have a new spec file. So, but again, it said most of this should be taken care of, if not all of it, when you set pack as tool. The file is generated. Okay, so, all right. Tools package. Common errors. All tools. So how do you publish this? Creating your own package. Users install tools by executing .NET tool install. Awesome tool. Oh, upload the. Oh, okay. So you just upload it to NuGet.org. Okay, there's another article I found in my notes, which is off of my side screen here. Or let's see. So a global tool. I don't want to install it. I want to publish one. But apparently you just have to go to NuGet.org and create it. So actually, let's do this. I'm already there. Let's come up here, open the file. And I am doing, just to be sure, I'm doing a build configuration manager, and it is a release build. Okay. Let's span this just a little bit. Bin release to 1. I'm not seeing a pack file there. Is it in the obs? No. It didn't do it here either. That's a little disconcerting. It said pack as tool, and it doesn't give any error, right? You're working with a preview version that I am? Huh. You know what? Maybe I have not, for some reason, had the last version of .NET Core. Install the .NET SDK. Okay. 2.1. Well, all right, let's shut this down. Apparently, I've been using a preview version and I didn't know it. Oh, this is going to take some time. Wonderful. I may edit this out so that you don't have to wait the torturous minute and other things to install. So we'll do that. We'll actually I'll come back. Okay, I am back, but unfortunately, even installing find version via global JSON file in the global project. And I installed it, and apparently I have all these other things in here. SDK is installed, but I have like a 2.1.4 preview. And so I think what I guess need to do is somehow figure out how to uninstall. Like .NET Core uninstall. So I'm now struggling because either that's not allowing me to do the pack file and creating it. Let me go back to this thing. Or do I just run it do I actually have to do it from here? Maybe. Okay, so maybe I kind of went overboard here, but it's still kind of weird. All right, so let's do this. Let's do that. Come over here, cd that. Okay, and then what I need to do is potentially do this. So now there should be a pack there. And there is. Okay. Freaking huge pack file, but it's there. Okay, so let's go over here and let's say .org. Sign in. Yep. That one, not Magenics. And just to make sure, manage packages. Should have all my published packages there. I need to, before you can change package sign required. That's fine. Okay. So I should do that, but I'm not going to do that right now. Let's upload a package. Browse, which goes to that. Okay, and we'll let it go off and download for a while. Or upload. It's uploading right now. What, do you have a problem doing a 9 megabyte file uploading? Please verify the megabyte. Oh. Oh. Okay, so let's actually do this because this, I'm being kind of dense here. What I do have is in my rocks, which is over here. There's some things that I probably want to pull over and put them into there. So let's do that, and then we'll rebuild this. Okay, so package tool, lang version, tree warnings are there. So we'll say this, at least we want to have come over. And of course, we got to copyright it. Repository, authors, assembly version, file version, release notes. Nope. That I already have there. Okay, so excuse me. Make that a 0.1.0.0 file version. Do I actually have in my editor config a license? I thought I did. Well, let's go find out. So, didn't actually do it yet. So, github.com, that's where everything is. So let's come back over here. See, the repository URL is that. Good. Package license is right there. So I did have a license. Package project URL is the same thing as this. Okay, so now I think we have more metadata in there, which is good. Probably don't need that. Okay, so let's build this. Okay, and now let's come back over here and say, packet, baby. Okay, now let's come back over to NuGet. Over here, and let's just say, upload a package again. Oh, cancel. Okay. Okay. There we go. Let it take its sweet, sweet time. This time, though, hopefully you'll have a little bit more stuff in there. And it does. It seems like it's pretty good, well, at least a little better now. Import documents. Preview. I just like previewing. Oh, I see what it meant. Okay, submit. Submitting. It's not been published yet. Oh, God. Okay. This should teach you not to copy and paste, because I'm a moron. Oh. That's kind of what I want there. Yeah. Yeah. It's not a mocking library. I'm an idiot. Actually, no, I don't want to do that. Let's say generates a editor config file based on existing C# code. Okay, and so now, because I'm an idiot, let's bump these all up. Okay, and that as well. Clean it out. Say build. Alrighty. And then let's go back over here. Pack it up. Okay. And now let's oh yeah, let's upload another package. Let's break all the NuGets up one. So I'm validating the original one, and now I'm uploading a one there. So no idea what NuGet's going to do with this, but we're going to find out. Okay. The new spec. I don't have a new spec. Submit. You okay with that? Yes, it's okay with that. Okay, but it hasn't been published yet. So the real trick will be is to actually come back way over here. Is to say .NET Tool install global EditorConfigGenerator, and then I could just say EditorConfigGenerator, point it at some directory, and see what it does. But I can't do that until, do the little spinny thing. Please stand by. Technical difficulties. Come on, stop validating. Okay, millions of people are waiting for this editor config generator. Okay, I'm not kidding. It's that hot of a code base. We need this. Absolutely need this to be published. Stop validating. It will appear in search results and will be available for install restore after both validation and indexing are complete. Package validation and indexing may take up to an hour. What does virus checks? Well, I guess that's actually a good thing. We don't want viruses in our package manager. That would actually be a bad thing. So I can understand that. How am I doing on time here? Almost 20, but I'm gonna have to edit some stuff out because of all the uploading. Or I should say the downloading an SDK, that really wasn't the problem. Anyway, okay, well that's great, but I don't have an hour to wait. Oh, well, okay, fine. You listed that. Okay, good. Now list the other one. Okay, come on, baby. Come on, you can do it. What? Nothing's there. Nothing's there. Well, what we could do in anticipation, say .NET, what was it, tool dash, .NET tool install dash G. Okay, tool install dash G, editor config generator. And we'll be waiting with bated breath for the validation to complete. Actually, I could run this because I would get the 0.1.01. I wonder how you update tools. Let's see. Data tool. You just update. Okay. So install -g editor config generator. Still validating, but we should be able to do this. Cool. Now let's just say editor. You know, let's do this. Cd rocks. And now let's do editor config generator, passing in m :/Jason Bach personal code projects rocks. Oh, but it worked. Okay, I'm an idiot here. Because I inadvertently forgot that we're generating from a solution here. Well, let's do that. Okay, fine. Let's see if Buildalizer actually does what we want it to do. Well, that worked so far, and it failed. Which, that's not too bad, because I know that if I come back up here, yeah, I know that the what's-its-name tool, the Buildalizers had some issues and stuff like that, and that's why I've actually, in this integration test thing, I think if I go back here, I actually pass into the directory here. Yeah, I need an option here to say if this directory exists, you know, if what you're giving me is this, then do a directory async. But I don't have that actually in this program here. I just need to say boom, 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 and then one more else if here to say if actually if what you pass in as an arg is just a directory, then go off and do that option. But this is cool. I mean, this actually proves out what I wanted to do, which is I can just install a tool. I can create my tool, have it here, and now people can use this. So now I need to do some more options. I need to have things in here like, if, you know, what's your output directory? Where did you want the editor config to be placed? Blah, blah, blah. But this is actually cool. I'm glad I got this to work. This is really easy. And I think this is another nice addition that they've done in .NET Core to make it so that you can start doing a bunch of these tool chains. And I know people are out there going, yeah, it's the way we've been doing it 20, 30 years from now. Now .NET Core has it. Okay, fair enough. But, you know, again, I can build assembly package like rocks, and people can use that as a mocking framework. Now I can create a tool package like EditorConfigGenerator and have that be able to be installed and used as well. So this is all cool. So I'm pretty happy. I just need to make this one minor change. I'm not going to do that in this video. I'm just going to prove that out to myself. But this is cool. Even though the thing failed, it still succeeded. So that's awesome. Okay. I can't leave with this, can I? I just can't let this go. What is in rocks? Let's go into rocks. Let's actually look at, I don't know, what's a big file here? Rock core actions. Because I should be able to give that. There you go. Okay, cool. It worked. All right, so I'm good. I'll make that update. This has been a fun episode. I actually like leaving on this note because now I can go on my next path, my next two paths on my future episodes. So we're good. So thanks for watching. Leave any comments or questions down below. See you in the next video.